What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Everything DSK. We're here and we're driving to our first location. We're gonna do some collecting, probably some shopping.
Big collection day. You guys love these big collections when we pull out like a bunch of money. So here we go. This is I think this. How long has it been since this location? I actually went like to this location like recently before. Probably like a week and a half.
It's been about 2 weeks, guys, for both locations. Usually we collect from each of them like a few days apart from each other. Like if we collect on a Tuesday, the next one we'll collect on a Thursday, like something like that. So today we're just gonna check both of them and see how they're doing.
Our new location, we got a new vending machine, and also we haven't collected from the snack machine. There's like a lot of money in there, so.
Okay, let's do it.
Guys, first location completed. On to the next. We're probably gonna go shopping right now. There was so many coins in the thing.
Okay, guys, here's all the coins. We don't have our bank bag, so I just brought this little bag. All right, guys, now we're headed to location 2. Okay, so we're gonna do how much we made at the end, and we're driving to our second location. We're at Sam's Club right now, and we just finished putting all the money in rolls and in these cool bands. We ran out of the $100 band, so we only have the $50 band. So I put 2 so we know how much it is. This is $100. There's a lot of 5s in here too. So we have $101 in cash, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rolls of quarters, and these are all
$10, so $170. And then we have more quarters here that don't fit in the row actually, so.
Yeah, so we have $201. No, we have $170.
Yeah, and there's nickels. We have nickels and dimes,
but we didn't buy rolls for them. So we have $170.
We do have a coin counter, guys, but it's currently, you can't bring it everywhere with you, so.
All right, let's go to Sam's Club.
This is a secret message if you made it this far in the video. Tomorrow's Donald's birthday. I'm editing the video and he's not, so he won't know. Leave a happy birthday Donald comment down below. Okay, back to the video.
Guys, we just finished shopping. Guess what was the most expensive thing? The most expensive thing is candy. Tell me why Snickers and some chocolate bars are $36. Prices are going up. Okay, guys, we're all done. We're packing up the car. Donald, are you a great packer? I think not.
It's like, no, I used to work in the factory. Yo, Prince kept on saying that.
Okay, guys, this is our new vending machine. If you remember, we had that blue one that we moved in here, but sadly the cooler stopped working on it, the condenser in the back. So we quickly bought this new one and just replaced it. We don't have any drinks in here yet because we literally put it in yesterday, but it's beautiful and it's super gorgeous. Okay guys, look how empty this machine is. chocolate, you're saying?
Yeah, like look at the M&Ms, bro.
Yeah. Oh, these. So take them out. They don't like pink.
Oh, maybe I put
You
more.
need variety, though. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm
It's okay
gonna
to
take
it
I'm gonna
out.
take a bunch out.
Yeah, take a bunch out because the place that we go that we went to today, the other place, they love peanut M&Ms. So you just need to know what people like so you can rearrange it. But don't not get chocolate because you think people don't like chocolate. But I think the Skittles is gonna go. Yeah, it is. So I'll make it long. Well, guys, we're all finished. Machines are as full as they can be.
As much snacks as we got, because these are big machines, so we did our best.
And we're gonna catch you guys on the flip side. If you made it this far, give yourself a pat on the back. And we'll catch you on the next video.
We buy these Gatorades for $17, and we sell them each for $2. That's a 285% gain.